Hi, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical. In this video, we want to do an in-depth demonstration on the WheelAble Shower Chair and Commode Chair on wheels. So we're going to go ahead and just dive into what's really cool about this chair and some of the various features that it has. So diving into the WheelAble Shower Chair, one of the biggest features on this chair is going to be the width. It's only 20 inches from arm to arm overall width, which is a lot smaller than many doorways, and a lot of showers and shower doors and doors into the shower are usually small, so this is great for getting into those tight and narrow spaces. Diving into one of the other great things about it, if you look at this front to back wheelbase compared to one of our more conventional shower chairs here, you're going to notice just how much smaller the wheelbase is on the WheelAble. Your footrests are integrated into the frame and go straight down, and the design of it only brings it to about 28 inches, whereas your other chairs are going to be similar to about 3 feet. So trying to get through narrow areas or make those harder turns in the narrow showers, it's a lot easier with a compact chair like this. Diving into some of the other features that this chair has as well, we're going to notice that you have these large wheels on the side, and that's done intentionally so you can manually propel this. So you're able to actually grab these wheels and propel just like a manual wheelchair. So it gives you that added advantage of being narrow, and at the same time you can independently get into the shower. One of the other really nice features that the chair has as well is going to be the armrests here. So they do move out of the way if you're someone that wants to do a side transfer, as well as the bucket underneath is able to be removed as well, so you have access underneath as well. So this bucket just snaps right off, and you have a large opening here. So with this opening, you'll roll right over a toilet if necessary, or you just have access underneath for showering. One of the final features we wanted to show, especially if you're someone that does a lot of traveling, is the folding capabilities of this chair. So it's very easy to fold as long as you learn the steps. So we're going to start with the arms on the sides here. There's an orange button we're going to push. It's going to come down and lock on each side. If your chair has this commode bucket, we're going to push this handle in, pull down, and the bucket's going to snap off and be its own separate piece. We're then going to tilt this back forward, lift up, and it's going to come right off from the front. Once this comes off, you're going to notice there's 2 hanger pieces here, and you're going to notice that there's hangers inside here. So what we're going to do is you're going to grab your backrest, nicely bring it in, put it into those 2 hangers. Then there's a yellow latch here in the front. We're going to pull up on that latch, pull in from the back and the front, bring it together, and it's going to lock itself into place. So now we have our shower chair here weighing in just under about 30 pounds, as well as the commode piece, which would be our separate piece. There is also a carry bag for this, a travel bag if you're going on planes or a lot of long-term traveling. So it will fit right into it with all of its pieces. This way you have a luggage almost that you're able to roll around and at the same time transport. Thank you guys for tuning into this in-depth demonstration on the WheelAble Shower Chair Commode Chair on wheels. This is a chair that we do keep here now on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. Our zip code is 91423. If you're someone who's interested in this chair or has more questions regarding it, please feel free to give us a call at 818-981-9906 or visit our website for more information at www.shermanoaksmedical.com.